Hey everyone, welcome to Coach Sandy. Today, I'll share 5 smart ways to make money online in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill, writing, design, or admin, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you earn right away. Start small, deliver quality, and grow with repeat clients. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Promote trusted products and earn a commission for every sale. Start with Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Build trust, not hype. 4. YouTube automation. YouTube automation. You can run faceless channels using stock clips and voiceovers. Consistency beats perfection. One good video can keep earning. 5. Remote jobs. Remote jobs. Companies hire remote VAs, support staff, and assistants. Check Remote Co. We work remotely, and Indeed for steady roles. Every day you scroll through your phone, watching others succeed. But what if today you decided to start? You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. Build your skills, stay consistent, and the results will follow. Your phone isn't just for entertainment, it's your gateway to opportunities. Start that idea, learn that skill, send that proposal. Because success doesn't wait, it rewards those who take action. The online hustle mindset. You can learn skills, start a business, and earn money, all from your phone or laptop. But you have to be serious.